In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can play GTA 5 roleplay here on PC. Now keep in mind you do have to own GTA 5 in order to do this, but if you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you do have GTA 5 open right now, you are going to have to go ahead and close out of it. So back out and close out of GTA 5 first. And once you close out of GTA 5, go ahead and open up a web browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you'd like. Essentially, what you're going to want to do is search for fivem and hit enter. And from here, you're going to see fivem up at the very top. Go ahead and select this, and you're going to see an option to download client on the right hand side. Essentially, go ahead and select download client, scroll through this, hit sure I agree, and then from here it's going to automatically start downloading the .exe file for this. Go ahead and select that and run the fivem installer, and it's going to begin installing for you. And it's going to say fivem game data outdated. If it does say this for you, just hit yes, just like so, and let it finish downloading. This is so it can actually locate the GTA5.exe file, which actually allows fivem to launch. Once it does load, it's going to prompt you to sign into Rockstar, so go ahead and sign into your account. And once you do sign in, it's going to go ahead and continue loading. I know it does take a little bit of time to actually get up and started, but don't worry, this is the only time that it takes this long. Now, once it does load for you, go ahead and hit I accept. And then from here, it's going to look something like this for you. What you're going to want to go ahead and do is just hit play just like so, and it's going to take you to all of these different roleplay servers. Essentially, you're just going to want to go ahead and find really any one of these. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. Essentially, just choose it. Like, we'll choose this top one right here. Select connect just like so, and then hit OK. If it is your first time doing this, it is going to ask you specifically for the local game data. So we'll go ahead and hit yes, and you may have to go ahead and give it the specific file location for GTA5.exe. And depending on which area you did purchase this through, whether it was Steam's or Epic Games, it may be located in a different file. I actually have videos breaking down both of those, so I definitely recommend checking them out. But it'll reload you into the game, and then it'll load you into GTA 5. If you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.